In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a recovery email in Hostinger if you want to make your account more secure and easier to recover in case you ever lose access. Adding a recovery email is a smart and simple step. This gives you an extra way to verify your identity and regain access to your account if needed. The good news is that the process is very quick and only takes a moment once you're signed in. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your Hostinger account. Once you're on the main dashboard, look toward the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area there. Go ahead and click on your profile to open the account menu. After the menu appears, click on Account Info. This will take you to the section where you can manage important details related to your account. If you've never visited this page before, take your time and make sure you're in the correct area before moving on, since this section contains your personal account settings. Once you're inside the Account Info page, look under the Personal Information section. In this area, you should find the option labeled Recovery Email. This is the setting you'll use to add a backup email address to your account. Click on Recovery Email and then enter the email address you want to use as your recovery email. Make sure you type it carefully and use an email address that you can access easily. It's a good idea to choose an email account that is active, secure, and different from your main login email if possible, since that can give you an extra layer of protection in case one account becomes inaccessible. After entering the email address, save or confirm the change if prompted on your screen. Once that's done, your recovery email will be added, and that's it. As you can see, adding a recovery email in Hostinger is a very simple process, but it can make a big difference when it comes to account recovery and overall account security. If you're updating account settings, it's also a good habit to review your information carefully to make sure everything is current and accurate. Now you know exactly where to go. Click your profile in the top right corner, open Account Info, find Recovery Email under Personal Information, and add your email address. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.